To save your time, you can use ChatGPT to summarize long YouTube videos and get the main points quickly. And here's how you can do it. Open your web browser and then after, use the YouTube's automatic transcript. And you will need a YouTube summary with ChatGPT extension on your browser. Or you can also install YouTube Summary and ChatGPT by Labs. And this will display the transcript this way. You can go ahead, copy it, paste the transcript in the box, and use the prompt, please summarize this YouTube video transcript into key points. And tell ChatGPT how you want the summary to be formatted. For example, summarize this video in 5 bullet points and highlight the main takeaways. Or create a short paragraph summary. Or create a time-stamped summary. And ChatGPT will give you a short version of the video with the most important information. You can ask ChatGPT questions about specific parts of the summary if you need more details. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.